Hi everyone, welcome to ElectroShot channel. In this video, we learned what is Arduino and explain about its hardware and software components. Finally, we take a look at applications of Arduino. Arduino is an open source electronics development board. This is commonly used description of Arduino. Arduino is built on the principles of open source development, which means that we can freely use the documentation, software code, and hardware designs. These boards consist of both software and hardware components, and by combining them, we can create our projects. I mentioned combining hardware and software. Let's talk about these components. Arduino hardware typically consists of a development board with a microcontroller along with I/O pins, power connectors, and other components. In this picture, we have Arduino Uno from Classic family, most commonly used type of Arduino. Here, this black chip is the microcontroller, and these are digital pins, and also these are analog pins, and here is power and communication connectors. Let me explain more about these microcontrollers. Microcontroller is a small programmable device that acts as the brain of the Arduino system, and it's responsible for executing the code and controlling the behavior of Arduino system. It can read inputs from various sensors, control outputs such as lights or motors, and communicate with other devices. The most commonly used microcontroller in Arduino boards is Atmel AVR series, although other microcontrollers like ARM-based chips are also used in some models. Here we have Atmega 328P main processor and Atmega 16U2 USB serial processor from Arduino Uno. The software part of Arduino includes the Arduino Integrated Development Environment (IDE), which is a software application used to write, compile, and upload code to the Arduino board. The IDE is user-friendly and simplifies the process of programming the microcontroller. It uses a simplified version of the C++ programming language. You can download the IDE software for your system from Arduino website, and after installing it, you can write your code and upload it to your board. Arduino can be used for a wide range of projects including home automation, robotics, IoT, data logging, and environmental monitoring. These are just a few examples, and applications of Arduino are continuously expanding. In home automation applications, we try to control and automate various household systems such as lighting, temperature, security, and appliances. Arduino is widely used in robotics projects for controlling the movement, sensors, and behaviors of robots. They can connect sensors such as ultrasonic sensors, infrared sensors, or gyroscopes to collect data about the environment. This data can then be processed using the Arduino's programming language and algorithms to make decisions and control the robot's behavior. Arduino boards can also interface with various actuators such as motors, servos, or solenoids to control the physical movements of the robot. Arduino can be integrated with sensors and actuators to create IoT devices for monitoring and controlling systems remotely. Sensor integration. Arduino boards allow you to connect various sensors such as temperature sensors, humidity sensors, motion sensors, light sensors, and more. These sensors enable your Arduino-based IoT device to collect data from the environment. Actuator control. Arduino boards can interface with actuators like motors, servos, and relays. This allows you to control physical devices and perform actions based on the data received from the sensors or commands received from the internet. If this video was helpful, I would be grateful if you like it and leave a comment sharing your thoughts. Additionally, if you're interested in electronics project and learning Arduino programming, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content.